Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to extract audio from video on CapCut browser. So let's say I want to use the audio from this video, but I don't want to use the video, so you can just extract the audio. And here is what you need to do. So first, click on the video here, and then right click, and then you'll find the extract audio option. So that's actually a shortcut to it, but I can't see it clearly. The shortcut control plus shift and this plus I can't see it, so I'm going to just click on this extract audio, and here the audio will be extracted. And if you want to, you can just delete this video and add the video that you want to add the audio into. So for example, I want to add to this video here. Okay, and I'm going to delete this video. Like that, you can use that, and here you can adjust the video and also the audio so it aligns like this. Okay guys, so that is how you can extract the audio from a video on CapCut browser. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.